So I had this PTO shaft that I couldn't get apart. I tried heating it and slide hammering it and everything else, and it was just too rusted. So what I did is I made a cut all the way through on both sides so it kind of spread. And then I was able to hammer it off. You can see how much rust and gunk is in there. So now all I'm gonna do is grind this nice and smooth, clean it all up, clean that up the best I can, and then weld that shut and keep using it. This got all cleaned up, or pretty well. So then you get an old spray foam can lid and some diesel fuel and your toothbrush. And scrub-a-dub-dub. Together pretty nice. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tack it, but if you look at, if I pry on it just a little bit, this opens up. So I'm just gonna open it up just a little bit more than the blade width that I cut it with. So hopefully it slides really nice, but it doesn't have too much slop. We'll see how that works. And then we'll flip it over and do the other side. Oh yeah, that slides nice. And it's got a little bit of slop, but I don't think it's enough to vibrate. So.
Good enough for who it's for.